Information is the fountain of knowledge. This is the information domain for the seekers of that knowledge with respect to mathematics. Unit 1 will focus mainly on the real number system. In this video, we will preview the real numbers. The set of real numbers is the real number system. The real number system, illustrated in these two diagrams, is divided into two sessions. Session 1 will be rational numbers, and session 2 will be irrational numbers. What are rational numbers? A set of rational numbers is in the form of a quotient, which means that numerator A is divided by denominator B, where the denominator B is not equals to 0. If and only if numerator A and denominator B are the integers. Rational numbers will include terminating and recurring decimals. We will deal with these at a later stage. Then we come to the sector 2 or session 2, which is a set of irrational numbers. These are not in the form of a quotient where A is the numerator and B the denominator. Root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, the pi represent irrational numbers. The decimals do not terminate nor recur. That is the difference between irrational numbers and rational numbers. Now, note that rational numbers are in a form of a quotient, A divided by B in this case, meaning that if A and B are integers, it means that the set of integers which is composed of negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers, has no fraction compared to the set of rational numbers. Now, since the fractions are omitted when we deal with integers, then the integers, therefore, will be the subset of rational numbers. Now, the negatives in the set of integers from the 0 mark will be on the left side, and the positive numbers will be on the right side. Now, from the 0 mark to the positive right side, we have a set of whole numbers. These numbers are used for measuring units. There are no fractions here, and also there are no fractions here. However, the whole numbers begin from 0 to the positive directions, where whole numbers are equal or greater than 0. Then from the set of whole numbers, we have natural numbers which are used for counting objects. They have positive numbers beginning from 1, not 0, and there will be no fractions. We will be dealing with a set of rational numbers, and irrational numbers will be tackled at a later stage. But I want you to observe something. We take the positive side of the integers where we have root 1. When we remove the root sign, we have 1. Then we have root 4. When we remove the root sign, we have 2. And we have root 9. When we remove the root sign, we have 3. These that have dots underneath are rational numbers, 1, 2, and 3. These 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8 roots, as illustrated in a set of irrational numbers, are irrational numbers. We will explain this as we move along. At the moment, I was previewing what we are going to be dealing with as we move along with the real number system. You are appreciated by being here with us. You are welcomed. Please be a part of the Seekers of Knowledge. Subscribe, click the button, subscribe, share, and comment. Hope to see you in our next session dealing with the real number system. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and keep well. Sharp.